Omaha, Nebraska, a day after a major snowstorm, the Iowa State Patrol said the storm caused dozens of crashes and numerous motorist assists. From 9 a.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Friday, ISP logged 277 calls for service, 75 crashes, 64 incidents of property damage, 11 personal injuries and no fatalities. In total, troopers answered 202 motorist assist calls. First Alert 6 crews reported stranded semi-trucks along I-80 near Council Bluffs. In one incident, a patrol car was struck. Trooper Goldsberry was not injured. ISP urged drivers to slow down, keep distance, and help protect each other on the road. The report highlights the storm's lingering impact on travel and the high demand for roadside assistance across the state.